Hi guys, come spend a day in the life with me. Hey guys, today I am going to a cafe to study and then getting some food and looking at Christmas lights. It's one of the first days this week I've been out during sunlight. Usually I'm sleeping or I have class until 5 and the sun sets at like 5:20 now. So it's just always darkness when I'm out. I'm glad to see the sunlight, makes me feel happier. And we're going to a cafe. Lately it has been around 40 degrees, so big coats, and then at night it gets really cold and really windy in the city, so I always have to dress nice and warm with my big coat that I thankfully got right before I came to Korea. Thank you, Mom and Dad. But it's been a lifesaver because my gloves are always in here and it keeps my legs warm since it's very long. And here's my bag for my homework. Tote bags are a savior in Korea. It's not as pretty because most of the leaves have fallen now and it looks dreary. It also rained last night, but it's still always the view of walking down the hill. I'm taking a shortcut through campus. Is like super cute and there's Christmas music playing and there's a Christmas tree as well, but I'm in a little corner. Hey guys! We are looking at Christmas lights in Seoul City Plaza. Now we are back in the dorm and time to do some work.